Hello and welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. The other day I got my Augason Farms tomato powder. Alaska Prepper said that there was a sale running and that you can get these for like a little over $20. I think it came to $20.80 per can, which is a pretty good deal. And so I bought 4 of them. You can make all kinds of things with it. You can make tomato juice, tomato soup, ketchup. It's 130 servings. It weighs 10 pounds. Net weight is 3 pounds, and 10 ounces. Let's see. All natural. Let me turn this around. It's number 10 can. So right here they have tomato sauce, tomato paste you can make. You can make barbecue sauces. They have recipes for all those. I don't know if it's coming in very clear, and then sweet and sour sauce, and you can make ketchup with a few other ingredients, of course. But that way I don't have to worry so much about long-term editing. I'm getting some of these kind of things. Obviously I save up for several months to be able to get something like this. I actually used my stimulus money for these 4 that I picked up 4 at that sale price. I'm going to trying to get some other things as I can save up for them. They're on my wish list. I specifically want to get like the peanut butter powder and the cheese powder, basically because it will help my stockpile. I can mix it in as flavoring for some things, so I don't, it's kind of what I'm getting them for. I'm getting them for flavoring, so they'll last quite a while. Yeah, that's what this one's about. So I have quite a few pounds, because each one of these are 3 pounds and 10 ounces. So that's a pretty good stockpile of this for right now. I do have a small apartment, so I can't go on a limited income, so I can't go crazy like some of the people that prep up. Not that they're crazy, just that they spend the amount of money that I cannot. And to me, that's a crazy amount, because I don't see that kind of amount of income. So I have to prep small at a time, a few at a time. But this is what I got with one of my part of my stimulus check. So yep, I just wanted to show you what I had gotten. I'm not going to be using these anytime soon. I know that they're good. This is just to stockpile away. All right, K-Bear and I are doing good. Stay safe. Until next time, bye for now. Until next time. See you then. Have a great day.